ever noticed that homemade lemonade somehow tastes better than anything you can buy in a store? Maybe it's not the lemons. Maybe it's the memory. Because before drive-thrus, before energy drinks, before giant cups with 50 ingredients, there was Grandma's lemonade. And today, we're stepping back in time to make 2 vintage lemonade recipes that families actually enjoyed during the 1940s and 1950s. Back then, lemonade wasn't just a drink. It was summer. It sat on picnic tables. It cooled off hot afternoons. It greeted neighbors on front porches. It appeared at church picnics, family reunions, and backyard cookouts. Nobody was worried about trending ingredients. No glow powders, no mystery syrups, no ingredients you can't pronounce. Just lemons, sugar, water, and a little bit of patience. Here's my grandma's favorite recipe she used. 6 fresh lemons, 1 cup sugar, 5 cups cold water, and ice. This is the lemonade your grandmother probably made. And honestly, it's almost embarrassingly simple. Fresh lemons, sugar, cold water. That's it. No shortcuts. Just flavor. And somehow, it tastes exactly like summer vacation. If you're making homemade drinks this summer, I've been loving simple glass pitchers and reusable kitchen basics that give everything that vintage feel. Here's are my favorite summer kitchen Amazon finds. Amazon Basics glass pitchers, Amazon Basics glass food storage containers, and Amazon Basics reusable kitchen towels. Now let's talk about the prettier cousin, pink lemonade. Many vintage versions used berries to create that beautiful blush color. Here's my grandma original recipe that our family loves. She used 6 lemons, 1 cup strawberries, 1 cup sugar, 5 cups water, and ice. Nothing artificial. Just fruit doing what fruit does best. Honestly, if summer wore lipstick, this would be the shade. It feels like backyard parties, flower gardens, and summer dresses hanging on the clothesline. I don't think Grandma's lemonade tasted better because the recipe was special. I think it tasted better because people slowed down long enough to enjoy it. They sat outside. They talked. They watched fireflies. They weren't multitasking. They were simply present. Now, I need your help settling a very important summer debate. Classic lemonade or pink lemonade? Comment below and tell me which one you choose. And if this video brought back a memory, share it with someone who still remembers summer the old-fashioned way.